In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an inset map in ArcGIS Pro. An inset map or locator map is a smaller scale map that gives location context to the main map. We use it to show where the focus area sits inside a larger region or country. A quick way to build a layout with an inset map is by using a pre-built template. Go to the Insert tab, click Import Layout, and open the drop-down. ArcGIS Pro comes with several templates that include inset maps by default. Let's pick one of those and load it. As soon as it opens, you can see it has a main map and a smaller inset map. If I activate the main map and zoom out, the extent indicator grows to match the new scale. If I zoom in, the indicator adjusts to the smaller area. This works well if you want something ready to go without setting up from zero. You can keep the inset map and just swap out the data layers if needed. But let's say you already have your own layout and just want to add an inset map to it. I'll remove the layout and maps from the catalog pane so we can do this from the beginning. This time I'll import a simple layout, for example this one, without an inset map. Now we're starting with a clean layout that only has one map frame. To add an inset map, go to the Insert tab and open the map frame dropdown. You'll see the base map from your current map as the only option. If you want to use a different base map like imagery, it's better to create a second map first. Go to the catalog pane, right-click on Maps and select New Map. Then change the base map to imagery from the map ribbon. Zoom into the area you want to highlight in the inset. Switch back to the layout, go again to Insert tab, select Map Frame, and now select the imagery map. Draw a rectangle on your layout to place the inset map. You now have two map frames, the main map and the inset map. To make it clearer, let's add an extent indicator. Select the main map frame, go to Extent Indicator, and choose the inset map frame. Great! Now that we have the basic inset map configuration, let's review two basic adjustments. The first one is changing the format of the indicator box. To do this, select the map frame where the indicator box is located, go to the Content pane, and look for the Extent Indicator element. Under this, you will find the Extent element used for configuration. Right-click on it and select Properties. Here you can change several settings like outline color, outline width, and most importantly, you can enable the leader. Many people don't know this option exists and end up drawing it manually, which is not very professional. What we want is to generate it automatically. The leader is the line that connects the indicator box to the inset map. There are several types of leaders, and you should pick the one that best fits the map and its communication purpose. We learned how to add an inset map, use pre-built templates, create new map frames, set an extent indicator, and adjust its appearance with leader lines. These simple steps help make a layout more clear and professional. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.